Buying a gaming laptop is challenging as there are many options, with new models released every year sporting increasingly more powerful CPUs and GPUs. When shopping for the best gaming laptop, you'll want to focus on a few aspects, like its CPU and GPU performance over time, as well as the display's refresh rate, motion performance, and VRR support. There are many gaming laptops to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best gaming laptops from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Asus ROG Strix Gaming Laptop. The Asus ROG Strix Gaming Laptop is a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience. Fueled by Windows 11, a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13650HX processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU at 140W Max TGP, this laptop promises to deliver unparalleled performance, ensuring you dominate every game you play. With 16 GB of blazing fast DDR5 4800 MHz memory and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, multitasking and loading times become a breeze, allowing you to seamlessly switch between applications without missing a beat. The ROG Intelligent Cooling System, featuring Thermal Grizzly's Conductonaut Extreme Liquid Metal on the CPU and a third intake fan, ensures optimal thermal management, enabling sustained high performance even during intense gaming sessions. The Strix G16 boasts a stunning FHD 165Hz display with 100% sRGB and Pantone validation, providing an immersive visual experience that brings your games to life. Additionally, the included 90-day Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription grants access to over 100 high-quality games, ensuring you'll never run out of exciting new titles to explore. Number 2. Acer Chromebook Gaming Laptop. The Acer Chromebook Gaming Laptop is a revolutionary device that combines the power of Chrome OS with exceptional gaming capabilities. This laptop is built to redefine your gaming experience, powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240p processor, 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, a 256 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and the latest video decoding technology, ensuring seamless performance for cloud gaming. Optimized for NVIDIA GeForce Now's top tier, this Chromebook delivers an incredibly fast 120Hz refresh rate and high bandwidth with a built-in RJ45 2.5G Gigabit Ethernet LAN port and Wi-Fi 6E support. The 16-inch WQXGA IPS narrow bezel display with 100% sRGB coverage provides vibrant, highly accurate colors and a 16:10 aspect ratio, allowing you to immerse yourself in stunning visuals. Number 3. Alienware Gaming Laptop. Experience unparalleled gaming prowess with the Alienware Gaming Laptop, a commanding presence that outshines its rivals. Powered by overclockable AMD Ryzen 9 7845HX processors, this laptop unleashes uncompromising performance, ensuring you dominate every battle. The stunning 18-inch 16:10 display with 480Hz FHD Plus resolution, Dolby Vision, dynamic display switching, and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut delivers crystal-clear visuals that will leave you in awe, never overlooking the competition. Immerse yourself in breathtaking, awe-inspiring graphics powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB graphics, taking your gaming experience to new heights. The Alienware Cryotech cooling technology, featuring Element 31, a large vapor chamber, quad fans, and 7 heat pipes, ensures system stability even during the most demanding gaming sessions, allowing you to push your limits without compromise. Number 4. Dell Gaming Laptop. Introducing the Dell Gaming Laptop, a versatile powerhouse designed to elevate your computing experience. With a vast array of ports, you can effortlessly connect all your devices, ensuring seamless connectivity. The roomy keypads, separate numeric keypad, and calculator hotkey provide a comfortable and efficient typing experience, allowing you to write and calculate with ease. The ergonomic lift hinge ensures a practical typing angle, keeping your wrist comfortable even during extended usage sessions. Stay connected with loved ones through the built-in HD webcam, which keeps you looking your best during video chats. Additionally, Dell Comfort View software, a 2V Rhineland certified solution, reduces harmful blue light emissions, ensuring your eyes remain comfortable even during movie marathons or prolonged screen time. Number 5. HP Victus 15 Gaming Laptop. The HP Victus 15 Gaming Laptop is a true powerhouse, designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Equipped with 16 GB of high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB PCM.2 solid-state drive, This laptop ensures seamless multitasking and lightning-fast boot times and data transfer speeds. At the core of this beast lies the formidable AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, boasting a base clock of 3.3 GZ and a maximum boost clock of up to 4.55 GZ, with 16 MB of cache, 6 cores, and 12 threads, delivering unparalleled performance for even the most demanding tasks. The backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad and mouse, combined with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, creates an immersive and convenient gaming experience. Powered by Windows 11 Home, this laptop offers a beautiful, consistent new design, great window layout options, and better multi-monitor functionality, ensuring a seamless and visually stunning computing journey. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.